Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics. Log into your Honeygain account and inspect the active device list. Once done, update the app on each machine so version mismatches are not the cause. Make sure to pause or disconnect every other device and leave one test device online. That isolates the source of the network overused flag. This first action approach saves time and reveals whether the issue is local, account-wide, or tied to a specific device. Next, focus on how traffic flows. You should temporarily switch the test device to a different network, like a phone hotspot, to see if your home IP triggered the limit. Make sure VPNs and proxies are disabled because they can aggregate traffic and simulate overuse. Then, in the app, reduce concurrent sessions and enable a bandwidth cap so usage stays steady. These steps narrow down whether the problem is routing, IP reputation, or simple throughput spikes. Finally, reboot both router and device to clear transient state, then clear the Honeygain cache or reinstall the app if anomalies persist. You must monitor the test device for 24 to 48 hours before bringing other devices back online. This confirms the fix. If the network overuse status remains, capture logs, note exact timestamps and networks used, and contact Honeygain support. One key troubleshooting tip: always include a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.